if the current is reversed, previously this red one was here and black one was there, that means the current passing through in the direction of my thumb. Now remember, conventional current is always from positive to negative. Now the direction of the current is towards me. Now if I switch it on, the result is almost unexpected. Why? Because previously it was moving towards east. Now it should move towards west. Let's see that first by keeping in 2 volts. You can see that it's moved towards west. Now let me do the same with 4 volts. The deflection is more. So this is the activity through which we can understand the Oersted experiment. Remember, when the current passes through any current carrying conductor, if any magnetic needle is placed under it, immediately it will be deflected. The deflection depends on the direction of the current. I have taken in the previous case, when the current is moving away from me, the deflection was eastwards, and now the current is coming towards me, the deflection is westwards. So this is the first and foremost experiment that could establish a link between electricity and magnetism. That's why it is very important in